All right, so you're about $30,000 in negative equity on this Range Rover.
No, it's too less.
Your car was only appraised for $1,000, but we doubled it and gave you $2,000.
How can you drive like this? How? This is not safe.
Some people flip homes for profit. Others flip luxury SUVs for debt. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment.
This is the type of stuff I do with. People think all the time these are scripted and whatnot. Read the profile thing. What does it say?
Seven-figure CEO. I worked hard, so now I play. Lifestyle, family, business coach.
Again, this is why you don't believe what you see on social media. I'm not calling anybody out. A lot of this stuff are lies. And this profile has a lot of followers, says that they're a seven-figure CEO and all that. But guess what? I'm going to have Vic do the honors of reading this.
I have a 23 Range Rover Sport that I was to trade in. And lease a GMC Denali for more space. I owe $95,000 on the car. Is worked around $66,000. So I have negative equity. Do you have any advice?
He or she only has $10,000 max. If you are a seven-figure CEO, you should have more than 10K in your bank.
A seven-figure CEO business coach with only 10 grand. As soon as I hear business coach, I instantly think of a scam. Now, she may be legit, but I see so many of these business coaches popping up online. They're charging people thousands with the promise of making millions. It's all BS. If she was really a seven-figure CEO, she'd be able to pay for these cars cash.
We're going to talk to them. We're not going to make fun of anybody. All I'm here to say is that I get hundreds of messages like this a day because of my content, because of the educational things I'm trying to show you guys. Let's call the seven-figure CEO. All right, just to break down, you got a 2023 Range Rover Sport. You want to trade it in and lease a GMC Denali. You owe $95,000 in the car. I guess your trade-in is $66,000 is what they offered, correct?
Yeah.
All right, so you're about $30,000 in negative equity on this Range Rover, and then you have $10,000 to put down. You have a 640 credit score, haven't missed any payments, and you pay $2,200 a month. Do you have a way to pay the $30,000 off that has the negative equity or no?
I wouldn't want to.
Do you have a co-signer? Because unfortunately with a 640 credit score, you wouldn't be able to roll over that much negative equity onto a lease. The lease may have between $5,000 and $10,000 of incentives. Again, that incentive can help you eat your negative equity, but with a 640 credit score, your money factor may be a little bit higher. I would say $25,000 would be necessary to make a deal happen.
A 640 credit score is considered fair. It's not good. It's below the national average in America. Imagine being a seven-figure CEO and needing a co-signer to purchase a vehicle. I've mentioned this before in other videos. People sometimes comment that credit score doesn't matter, but it does. If you ever plan on using it in the future, which most of us will, you need to keep on top of it. Check it regularly. You might not use credit very often, but it's still smart to check it and make sure there's no errors or signs of fraud.
I know that's something that you said you don't want to do that, but that's what probably would be the best way to get out of that vehicle.
Gotcha. I've never put anyone down on the range, but I do understand that it's negative.
Okay. I see that you said you're a successful entrepreneur, seven figures and whatnot. I think the best thing is if you have it, just pay it off and just cut out the leg, because now if you wait even longer on the Range Rover, you're looking at depreciating even more. I definitely would get out of it as quick as possible, or just trying to get another option. Then I hear you on that as well.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. They knew they were being recorded, so they were definitely a little bit hesitant on divulging any financial information. Again, if you're making seven figures, you should have more than $10,000 in the bank. A lot of people hype and overinflate their income the same way that you see it on social media. Don't believe these lies. I'm not saying that they're all lies. There may be some success stories, but they worked hard. It's not easily attainable. It's not easily replicable. Take your time, be grateful, understand what you have is what's meant for you, and if you want something better, have an executable plan. It's up to you to make the decision.
I'm going to guess that it's her business she values at seven figures. She probably makes a decent living if she's paying $2,200 a month for a Range Rover and hasn't missed any payments. But if she can only put 10 grand down and doesn't want to pay off that negative equity, she's probably tight for cash or just irresponsible with money. Rolling $30,000 of debt into another vehicle doesn't make any sense.
No, it's too less.
It could go less even. It could be 18. I don't think it's too less. I think it's too much.
Just speak to my brother.
What do I need to talk to your brother for?
You still give good price. It is not about selling car. If you go with like that price, we can come tomorrow.
Which price?
23.
The vehicle's very rough. Whoever you took it to is not a body shop, it's a butcher shop. They did a very bad job. I showed you, there's damage all over the car. Whoever repaired it, it shouldn't be in business. Looks like they spray painted your bumper.
Yeah.
This is in Canada, and Canada is a circus right now. A complete clown show. The government is bringing in millions of immigrants from India, take the tax dollars from the citizens and give it to them, thousands of dollars a month to newcomers for free. Now, I'm not saying anything negative about people coming here. I don't blame them at all. But what you end up seeing is a lot of people living in nice homes, driving fancy cars that they can't afford.
You want to flip a coin? 19 or 23?
No, No, you're pro, bro. Like, we can't win.
Of course you're gonna win.
No.
It's 50-50.
You are a genius, right? We are not competing with you.
I don't know about a genius. I wouldn't be here trying to buy a Honda Civic.
For us, it's only this one car. For you, it's so many. Like, we can't win from you. He's the owner. He's saying no. Yeah. 21. I'm sorry.
I think I need to call one of my guys. So there's two of us here. It's 2 against 1. It's not fair.
Oh, we are not fighting. We are just requesting.
What would be the actual number you would do to close the deal?
22.5.
What if I get you 21,500?
No, Henry. No, same thing. Please, humble request from our bottom of our hearts.
Now, this guy gets a lot of calls from the Brampton area. Brampton has quickly become the place you go when you move to Canada. On social media, in the news, and from people commenting, there are quite a few people in that area that are not driving so well. They're treating their cars like they were free, which they were. Eventually, they can't afford them, they have to sell them, and they want more than they're worth. This next clip is from that area, just outside about 20 minutes away.
How can you drive like this? How? This is not safe. What's the license plate? CHRP 229. Like, how? That is so bad. Like, how?
Yani zobacz.
Now, I don't know who this driver was, it could have been anyone, but the Brampton area has become really well known for this type of what I call fancy driving. When I see a clip like this now, I automatically know where it's from. This area now has the highest insurance rates in the province, so congratulations to Brampton, Ontario. You guys deserve it.
The whole car is all banged up.
Nothing happened with the car. I don't know, like, where it came from.
You remember how much you own it?
It's 19,250.
I'll step up, but it's a deal. You gotta tell me yes or no. 22,000, and that's all of it. Not a dollar more. Do we have a deal?
Can we do it at 22,500?
Not a dollar more.
Can we just talk?
We talk right now. We make a decision now.
Can I get just 5 minutes?
For what?
It's like the first time I'm selling a car.
Okay. Make a decision and be done with it. It's a very strong offer to get it done now.
Now, again, I'm not trying to say anything negative about immigrants, but bringing in people and giving free money is a bad idea. You see citizens working 2 jobs and struggling to afford food, but you see newcomers that don't work and drive BMWs and Teslas. I think it's the same for everybody. If you're just handing people money, it's going to be much easier to waste it because you didn't earn it.
Y'all appraised my car. I was just trying to see if I could get more for it. Happy with the number y'all gave me.
And you brought in a Kia Forte with about 220,000 miles on it?
That's right. Y'all only gave me $2,000 for it. I think it's worth a lot more than that.
Based on our appraisal, we did check the car inside and out. We actually gave you more than we were allowed. Your car was only appraised for $1,000, but we doubled and gave you $2,000.
I really want to get $5 or $6 grand for it. I could probably come in and do business with you today.
I'm not sure if we can do that 100%. It is at 220,000 miles, and it does have a lot of problems. Like the AC doesn't even work.
Now, I drive one of these, a Kia Forte. It's a very cheap, not just in price, but cheaply made car. I've had it for about 6 years. It has 66,000 miles, and I've had no issues with it yet. Now, I know when I go to sell it down the road, I'm not going to get very much. So for 220,000 miles on it, I'm surprised you even got $2 grand.
And you barely was able to drive it up here. We had to jump start it the last time you came. 5,000 or 6,000 is not as reasonable. We did double the original appraisal for you just out of consideration.
I think y'all can just do a little bit better. And even if it's not $6 grand, I still think y'all can do a little bit better. I want to come by one of those Tellurides.
How about you come in and we'll go ahead and we'll keep the appraisal at 2,000 right now, just for right now. And then when you come in, we'll do business where we'll either maybe give you a reasonable price on that Telluride so it makes up for that extra that you want for your trade. We'll just make it work out for you.
I think I'll be open to that.
That'll be perfect.
Well, I'll see you this evening then.
So now he's going to get a reasonable price for the Telluride. I would hope the price was reasonable to begin with, but that's kind of rare these days. It's amazing these salesmen can make you believe you're getting a good deal when you're not, all while going into debt. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.